doing up some more trimming. We're going to be doing the shelving. We're going to be doing the gapping, the filling, the sanding. It's all going to be happening here. I'll do my best to capture as much footage as I can for you in fast forward. Always looks better that way. Makes me seem like I'm working faster. And just getting this kitchen done because we're going to move in soon. And it's all going to happen. You know, one thing that really pisses me off about this is when they put bloody stickers on the timber. Look at that shit. It should be right if they put the plastic stickers on there that just peel off easy, but these things are freaking paper stickers. And what happens if you want to stain it? Right, the shelving structure is done. We've got two shelves in this tall cupboard here. That's going to be for mugs. And this cupboard over here is going to be for plates, bowls, etc. So, this one, shelving in. So I'm just going to go ahead and pre-cut all of the skins that go on the shelves, but I'm not going to screw them down. Because it's going to be a lot easier to stain and varnish the inside without the shelves down. So, it's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to do a bit more trimming. Make it look more sexy. Let's go for it. So it might look like I'm pulling apart the kitchen again, but we've decided that we're going to clear up the space here that's underneath the sink to make a slide out bin. So I reckon it's a perfect spot. We're going to make a bin to the size, yeah, a nice timber, and then put it on sliders. We can just open the door, slide the bin out, slide it back in. It's a perfect way to get the bin out of the way, and it's going to be in the cupboard with all the other chemicals, clean chemicals, so it won't stink. And if you change your bin regularly, one shouldn't stink anyway, really. But Day 5, I'm done. Had enough for today. I'm bloody getting out of here and going home. So, what have I done? I've lined all the cupboards. Check this out. Lined all the shelves, I mean. Tell you what, it's looking damn good. Even without a paint job. That's going to be our bin spot. We'll make a little slidey bin. In the big pantry. Right, so a little bit of a change on this pantry. This middle section here is now going to be the microwave section. Well, it was always going to be the microwave section, but we're going to leave that open. So we're going to have doors barn doors on there, and barn doors on there. So we're going to leave this middle section open, which probably makes a little bit more sense when it comes to having a microwave in there, you know, but I think it's going to look better. It's better. So day 5 is done. Looking good. Alright, subscribe, like, share, tell everyone about this awesome page. Let's get it built up. The more subscribers I get, the more confidence I get, the more inspiration I get. Just bring you more and more videos. So get on to it.